Hi guys, my name is Maria Solías and welcome to a new course on ToothPad. In this course we're going to learn how to create a seamless pattern from the scratch using Photoshop. In this case, inspired by mythological creatures. I will show you the step-by-step process to create your own pattern, from picking appropriate references to sketching your characters, cleaning the lines, choosing a color scheme, and finally composing and getting ready for printing. I will show you my personal techniques for this process and some footage and commentary about the printing and assembly process for a finished surface design project. This course is for intermediate level Photoshop users that have a good knowledge of the tools and functions of this program and basic knowledge of drawing and coloring as well. So come with me.